So one of the reviews I read on Amazon was that this stroller took a really long time to put together. So I'm going to try and put together real quick and see how long it actually takes. Granted, I have owned several Valcos, so I kind of know how they assemble. The back axle never comes attached, so that's something you're going to need to put on. These nice big wheels go on the back. They snap right on, and they're not going to come off after you hear that click.
Right here.
Front wheels, you want to make sure that you don't put these on backwards. So, if you're unsure, make sure that you read the
instructions.
the instructions, that's right. Other way.
Oh, other way. This way?
Yep.
Okay.
And they click right in.
Yeah.
Push it down. Clicks right in.
Yay!
So already we have that done. It's locked.
Yeah.
And all we have left
Is this are these and
are the canopies and the bumper bars. You don't have to use the bumper bars. Not everybody wants bumper bars.
yeah.
I have bigger kids, so chances are we won't use the bumper bars a whole lot unless we've got my nephew. All right, so now we just have to figure out where these go.
This one goes right here.
There's a little space right here that this clicks in like that, and
Here, let me help you.
and then it clicks onto the,
So like that now?
yeah, you see where it is that it'll fit.
Mm-hmm.
And then you push this on. Try not to pinch my fingers.
Okay. Where's the other one?
There is no other one. It's gonna click on the other side. So, as you can see, that took less than 5 minutes. Apparently, the lady on Amazon, it took her, she said 15 to 20 minutes. I don't know if it's because I've done this before. I have really little hands, and this is kind of awkward.
Yeah, awkward.
Push, 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 push. So there's a little pin down here for the locking mechanism. And you're gonna wanna make sure that this goes underneath
No, the bumper bars.
between the two pins.
Yeah, the rest
And then-
is the bumper bars.
It has snaps that snap it all on. I'll do that later.
Now,
But it really wasn't that hard to assemble.
so now the bumper bars.